another sharing session of a series of webinar on susceptibility and its practical application by Spandan. Susceptibility has been a topic only, in fact, a chapter in Stuart Close textbook during my college days. And for a very large time during my clinical career too, on prescription, on a totality, was never understood for me until very recently. So Spandan has organized this series of webinar, and we have two giants on this very difficult, ill understood, but a very important and an interesting topic, Dr. Praful Barwalia and Dr. Dikshit. I will myself talk on one aspect of susceptibility, that is a stalled susceptibility, where in materia medica language or in repertory language we talk about this rubric called lack of reaction and paucity of symptoms. What is the implication? What is how this diagnosis of susceptibility, stall susceptibility is made? What totality needs to be erected? How a remedy needs to be selected? What are the influence of this fundamental cause called miasm on susceptibility and how it stalls the susceptibility? All these in this series of webinar where all of us will be sharing our actual practical cases. So do register. The registration for the whole webinar is free of cost. You must take up this topic. The link is down in the video below. Welcome all for 4 sessions of an hour long. 4 hours of solid applied homeopathy with the topic of susceptibility. And see you all at the webinar.